In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and get the Infestation camo on the M10 Breacher here in Call of Duty Black Ops 7. Before we do get in this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, go ahead and open up your gunsmith and go specifically into this customize tab where you're going to see a camo section. Open that up and select zombies. This is going to be all of the challenges that you have to go ahead and complete in order to work your way up to the Infestation camo. Now, the first 9 camos right here are your military camos, and these are going to be 1,000 point blank kills with the M10 Breacher. Now, luckily this is a shotgun, and point blank kills are extremely easy to go ahead and do. What you're going to want to do for this is load into a survival map. And then from here, just go ahead and, kill zombies as close as possible. This is super easy to do. Honestly, you can knock this out in one game if you get to like round 40 and just essentially use the M10 Breacher. It's actually super easy to go ahead and knock out. I'm going to be honest with you. Just make sure you're in a survival map. In fact, for all these, go ahead and make sure you're in a survival map unless I say otherwise. But let's move on to these special camos. The first one is Mutilate. You got to get 5 crit kills rapidly 15 times with the M10 Breacher. This is actually super easy to do. It's just essentially 5 headshot kills 15 times total. Just make sure you're aiming a little bit above the head. This gun has like this weird little kick with it where it kind of like shoots down a little bit. As long as you're aiming a little bit above the head, you'll knock this one out fairly quickly. For Slither, you got to go ahead and have Brain Rot equipped, and from here you got to get 300 eliminations. The way that it works is Brain Rot has to activate, but Brain Rot doesn't have to be the thing that's getting all 300 eliminations. As soon as Brain Rot does activate, go ham, get as many kills as humanly possible, and that's how you're going to knock out this camo pretty quickly. It should take, 2 to 3 activations max. For Pathfinder, you got to go ahead and get 3 crit kills consecutively 5 times. It's just 15 kills total, but the thing is, you cannot, get a kill to the body. It has to be 3 crit kills consecutively 5 times. I find this is a lot easier on early rounds, so if you are having any issues, go ahead and, back out, go back to the early rounds, and you'll knock this one out quick. From here, we can go ahead and move on to Golden Dragon, which is just 10 kills rapidly 15 times with the M10 Breacher. Round up a big train, and you'll knock this one out quickly. It's pretty self-explanatory. Just get 10 kills quickly 15 times, 450 kills total. As long as you're running up a big train, you'll be able to knock this one out quickly. And from here, we can move on to Bloodstone, which is a little bit more complicated because you do have to get Golden Dragon on 3 shotguns before you can do this. But after you do get Golden Dragon on 3 shotguns, you have to get 20 or more consecutive kills 5 times without taking any damage. Just keep your distance a little bit and spray into the train, and you'll be able to knock this one out pretty quickly as well. The method is pretty simple, which is good because Doomsteel is a little bit more complicated. You do have to get Bloodstone on 30 weapons before doing so, but from here you have to go ahead and eliminate 10 elite zombies with the M10 Breacher. I'll be honest with you, this one is a little bit annoying. I'm not the biggest fan of this one, but the method is not on survival. It's actually on Ashes of the Damned. Essentially, what you're going to want to do is, load into that, play all the way up until round 16, and that's when that first Ursa is going to spawn. When the first Ursa does spawn, go ahead and take them out. After you do take out that first Ursa, then you can go ahead and go into the fog, and every 2 to 5 minutes in the fog, you're going to have a new elite zombie spawn in. Just go ahead and take them out as they are spawning in. It should take 20 to 50 minutes max. That being said, the fog is, a little bit hectic, especially with this shotgun. If you ever have to leave the fog, don't worry about it. Just go back in once you are safe and ready, to get back into the grind. But yeah, once again, that's the method for this. And from here, you just have to get Doomsteel on 30 weapons to get Infestation. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.